I love helping people. I love students who I'll ask a lot of questions because I know that I'm doing something for them. It's just my dream and my ambition na to have more and more people to succeed in this business. And I'm happy that in the last several years na kapag-create na po tayo ng iba't ibang estudyante and they are now dominating their industries. They're the number one. But then again, focus is necessary. There's a lot of work. But remember, guys, if you want to accomplish something significant in life, there has to be some changes. There has to be some work. So you have to enjoy the process. Ito na yung momento mo. Nagkaroon lang ng COVID-19, gumanyan ka na. Do not let anyone, anything happen in our society stop you from accomplishing things. Bawasan na ninyo yung panonood ng news. Una kayo. It doesn't help you, trust me. It makes you think na you are well-informed. Well-informed ng what? Ng negativity? No thanks. Okay? So there you go. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.